Welcome to another really edition. Now we're going to demo a new game for you to play. Let's get started. Okay. This is our character, and this is our click and get scores. Okay. This game. Okay. So let's try and see the game, and then if you can copy this game. Okay, let's review the game. Okay, let's review the code. Okay, let's min sprite. Okay, this is Apple Johnny. So in the green flag, what we have is to set the size, and then we're going to hide it, and we're going to set to the position 00, and we're going to set the variables, the score at the end. And we're going to create another clone of the John. Okay, John 2. Okay, we actually have enough sprite called John 2, which is exactly the same. Then we do a forever, and then we go to this John 2. Okay, so basically when we receive a broadcast of down, okay, we show, then basically what has to be repeated. Okay, move the when I click, okay, move the sprite, go down to the -120, and actually change the score by 1, and actually broadcast a resprawl. Okay, so for the resprawl means actually we recreate the sprite again. Okay, and we actually recreate the clone of John 2, and we actually go to whatever it was, John 2. Okay, so for this part here is we're going to receive the end, then we're going to hide, and then we're going to this is actually for the timer side. Okay, forever loop 1 second, actually change the timer by -1. Okay, and broadcast the end. Okay. For John 2, which is the same, it's set 100% and hide. It's green flag. Then when the clone is started, okay, what happens is actually it will glide. Forever loop, it will glide, and we check this timer is 20 and 10, actually will resize to -20. When this end, it actually will stop all and then just hide. Okay, so when it's click, okay, broadcast down, which is actually just now what we did. Okay, to move the sprite to go down to the bottom of the screen. Okay, and then delete the clone. Okay, so the last one is actually the end sprite. Okay, so let's see the end. Okay, folks, that's the end of the today's game. Let me have a nice play, and then we will see how, and then get back to you again.